Hey, welcome back to our series on denim creation. In part 2, we delve deeper into the next stages of denim production.
Once the proto sample is approved, we begin with the size set process. Samples are created after thorough shrinkage checks to ensure precise measurements. After all, accuracy is very crucial for maintaining consistency across all the products. Next, we move to production. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities are equipped with advanced machinery and skilled artisans who bring each piece of garment to life. Our skilled craftsmen cut the fabric to exact specifications and tailor then stitch the pieces together, eventually transforming fabric into beautifully crafted garments.
Once the denim garments are assembled, they undergo the washing process. Now this is where the magic happens.
We use various techniques such as enzymes washes, stone washes and acid washes to give each pair of garments its unique character and softness. Next comes quality control. Each and every garment undergoes rigorous checks to ensure that there are no defects. Our trained quality control team checks everything from stitching to fabric integrity to ensure it meets our stringent criteria. In the finishing stage, any necessary adjustments are made and final touches such as buttons, rivets and labels are added. This attention to detail guarantees that every piece of garment leaving our factory is nothing short of perfection. Finally, it's time for the final quality control. We invite clients and third-party inspectors to conduct the final delivery inspection. This ensures complete transparency and confidence in our product.
Ultimately, every step of our process is designed to deliver the highest quality denim apparel to our clients. Need bulk denim orders? Contact us today for timely delivery and exceptional service.